Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you rearrange the pages on your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to rearrange the pages anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to A/B test, and maybe you want to move the pages around to see if you get more clicks. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled in the website editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly account, and this is the home screen. So first, make sure you're working in the correct website. I only have one, so I'm going to choose this one. Next, you're going to click on website and then edit site. Okay, now it's going to load up the website. Now, if you've been using Weebly a long time like I have, it used to be handled in the pages section. You used to be able to move pages around and rearrange them. So that since has changed. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go ahead, look up here to the header, and then you're going to click into the header. And now you can see there's a navigation. Once you click into the header, you're going to scroll to the top and look for this section, navigation, and you're going to click on edit links. Okay, you can see on this website, I have products, then this is a cool page, and then cool cars. So if I want to rearrange these, all I'm going to do is just grab it and drag it to where I want it to show up. So I just moved cool cars to the middle, and you can see it updates on the header menu. Now, if you want to make a sub menu, you can do the same thing you used to be able to do before. So cool cars, let's put this underneath products. So you just drag it over underneath products and drop it. So now you can see it's a little bit off center. So what's going to happen now is if somebody hovers over products, they're going to see cool cars, just like that. Once you've rearranged the pages as you want, go ahead and click on publish. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to rearrange the pages on your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.